This was a first, got in two minds, Kassas. And Tursunov, that right-footed volley into the empty area. That was a goal number one. And no way that Kassas could leave his charge. And really no chance for Aguinaldo to save that. He threw himself and look at the second one. Such an easy giveaway. Lovely 1-2. And finally holding up there was Babadzonov. And what a brilliant left-footed finish from the 26-year-old Nazarov. That sealed the deal for the Persian Lions. So they are into the finals. And they take on the winners of this second semi-final. This was a brilliant one to the far post. Injured Kassas had no chance whatsoever. But Kassas again put up a brave fight. So the crowd had their money's worth here at the Cox's Bazar.